I'm going to be showing you how to use Google Docs. So we're going to go to docs.google.com. And to create a new document, obviously they have all these options up here, and you can scroll through the template gallery and they give you different options for if you're writing a resume, if you're writing a letter, personal, work, sales, legal, human resources. They have a bunch of different templates, or you can just start a blank document. So I'm going to start a blank document. Right now it says it's an untitled document, but if you click up here, it'll highlight it all and you can change the name. So I'm going to just change it to Kenice 205. You can also change the font to anything that you want that's available. They also have Times New Roman. You can change the size of the font. You can change the format, so you can change the paragraph style if you want it to be a title, a heading, subtitle. You can change the line spacing to where it's now double spaced instead of single spaced. You can make it to where it's centered, so we'll do Kenice 205. And now, since I changed it to double spaced, I can also click right here and change the spacing of it. But I changed it to double spaced, so anytime I hit enter after typing, it's going to be double spaced. If I click this, it'll go back to that side, and then I can type whatever I want. Example. Hit enter again. Tools, they have word count, spelling and grammar. You can also insert images. You can insert a table. So let's just show you that. There's a table. You can insert a drawing, chart, horizontal lines, special characters. Here's how you insert page numbers. So it'll insert the page numbers for you. There we go. And that is how you use Google Docs.